Hello, it's Thursday, December the 2nd, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar lost the positive rally it had been enjoying in the last few days after positive macro data in the US signaled improvement. The ADP Non-Farm Employment change came out 33,000 better than the expected 70,000, and the ISM Manufacturing PMI came out 56.6 better than 56.4, causing investors to jump back to riskier assets. The US stock market soared as the Dow increased by 2.27% and the Nasdaq gained 2.5%. Crude jumped upwards by more than 3%, closing at $86.70 a barrel. Gold advanced by 0.2% to close at $1,387 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected at 425,000 versus 407,000 previously, with pending home sales expected at minus 0.7% versus minus 1.8% previously. The euro rallied versus the dollar for the first time in 4 days on speculation that the ECB might attempt to restrain the spread of the Eurozone's debt crisis. Holding above support at 130.40 will create a positive momentum for the pair. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 129.70 and a high of 131.80. Today, PPI is expected unchanged at 0.3%, and likewise GDP unchanged at 0.4%. With Wall Street jumping to fresh monthly highs over renewed signs of strength in the US economy and risk appetite back to markets, the pound gained versus the dollar. Nationwide HPI came out unchanged as expected at minus 0.3%, and manufacturing PMI came out 58 better than the expected 54.8. Holding above support at 155.50 might push the pair upwards. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 155.46 and a high of 156.47. The yen was among the only currencies that weakened against the dollar. Capital spending came out 5% worse than expected 6.1%. Breaching the 84.40 level might push the pair upwards. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 83.37 and a high of 84.38. No economic data is expected today. The US dollar lost gains against Canada's dollar as speculation on the ECB's signal to support the region pushed the investors towards riskier assets, including currencies related to commodities. Holding below resistance at 102.40 turns the momentum negative for the pair. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 101.39 and a high of 102.69. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.